There it is. Hey guys, I'm here with Nisa. I love her so much. My favorite person ever. Like seriously. How do you feel now that you're on camera?
This is awkward. I always want to do this. I think.
No. That's your Asian side. This is just coming out like.
I look bald. My head's too big for this.
Guys, should we just make the whole tutorial with our hoodies really tight on like this?
Hold on.
Messy kitchen. We're just smack down in the middle of the living room. We're gonna be just doing our makeup. We're going out. We have like less than an hour. I do this like I have a watch on or something. We found the cutest sweater on ASOS. It's attached. I'm gonna put a picture of us wearing this sweater.
We're gonna be like this. I'm gonna be the excited girlfriend.
It's attached by the hip. Like we're literally in a Christmas sweater that is attached by the hip.
It's like before the weight loss surgery.
Okay, so what do you have your little makeup bag?
Yeah, this is it.
This is basically what I wear every day. Is in here.
Hijabis.
I really love that. Where'd you get it from?
Indonesia. This company gave it to me.
ZSL. This is actually really cute, and it's like a proper hijabi, like covered.
Yeah. Look at no like neck, no baby hairs.
You ready? What do you usually start off with?
Moisturizer.
All right. I'm gonna use my Embryo Lease. Actually, no. I'm gonna use this one. This is a Delphine. No, Darphin. Soleil Plaisir. Soleil anti-aging sun care. We must see. I feel French.
Anytime I use anything, it goes away by the end of the day. It's like I have no makeup on.
I love your lashes.
Eyelash
So I got my eyelashes done, but I did them so natural you can't even see.
They look good.
I don't even believe focusing on you. The disrespect. It's very natural, but they're nice. I wanted them natural. I had a spot here that I just don't want to talk about it. Do wanna be a distraction, baby?
No, I meant like while we were young. No, guy.
It's while we're young. I thought it was. But you know all those old Aaliyah videos where it's like, I used to pretend like I was wearing like a tank top and tuck it into my little, like tuck it in and make it like a faux bra. Yeah. And have my hair out and just like dance in front of the mirror. And my mom would like walk in on me. My sisters would walk in. They'd be like, oh, "Mama!" And mom would walk in like, "What is she doing?" And I'm just like trying to be all sexy at 7. Yeah, literally. Like I didn't know what to do with my hair.
You should have those mini fans and just be like,
oh, it was so bad.
And my sister, like in underwear with sunglasses, by the way, like Ray-Bans, and we're playing the piano. Like we just like being shirtless. It was great.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, this luscious lips.
No, but it's actually original nipple balm. You can use it.
People put it in their nipples.
For a natural look today, right?
Yeah. I mean, I can't do any other look.
Like, you don't get the pregnancy comments. Those are mad awkward because
I'm not married.
I know. Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah, I'm pregnant, guys. I don't know who the father is.
It's a me.
I think we would make cute babies.
I think we would legit, but we kind of look alike in a weird way, right?
I'll take it any day. Right. And your body proportions and height. And nose. I hope
they get it.
I was like,
what are you talking about? No, why would you give it my nose when they can have your nose, your face?
I don't like my nose. I like your nose. It's like a cute little button.
No, it's cute when I contour.
It's cute right now. Ew, I see you.
Ew! What the heck is going on top of my head?
What happened?
What's going on with my hat? You want to use some of this new color effects drop thing that I got in the mail?
How do I use it? Teach me.
You drop
She's gonna teach me how to be a makeup artist.
Just a pirate.
Like so many steps.
Don't freak out. Give me your finger.
Wait, which finger? I only have so many left.
Take like this. I suddenly don't know how to speak. And then drag it down your pores. And then blend it into your skin. There you go. Now blend your forehead. Anywhere where you get oily or...
Am I doing it right? So can I add foundation now?
Yeah.
Am I doing this right? Ah. Uh-huh. It's like the... I can't wink correctly either.
Can you show me how you wink?
Oh. My mother goes like that. It's like I got it. I'm like,
oh, that is so cute.
Stop it, you're embarrassing.
Right now.
6.
Let's do. No, you go ahead.
Oh,
Sorry.
I was like, God, no.
Let's do.
Or I'll just find my. I was like, I'll find my thingy.
No, you know what that happens? Like you're a little intimidated, but don't be, because trust me,
Well,
I get intimidated off of like other makeup artists. It's because they don't do makeup, but I ain't special, so.
Very
I'm waiting for that.
I need to learn how to contour so I can have cheekbones.
Okay, look at the face.
Whoa, it looks like I'm bald.
It's the tan line.
5 big.
Better, right?
Yes, definitely.
So you can do this. No. You gotta learn. You gotta.
They touch my face and my hair. It's done. It's so done.
I understand the hair thing. I kind of just like turn into a cat because our hair never gets touched as a hijabi. So it's like, I get it. It's like very sensitive.
Nobody touches my hair.
I know.
Nobody loves me. This brush is soft. That's why I'm like.
It's a Morphe brush. It's so cheap. I love Morphe brushes. This one's so
I don't even know
too.
what I'm doing at this point, but I'm just touching my face. It's Sigma.
Oh shit. Sorry, Sigma. I'm not gonna get anything from them anymore. Take her off the list. Take her off.
Done. I don't want her. I want cheekbones, guys. I'm tired of this.
Wait, so do you contour normally?
I use like bronzer and I just go like right here, but I feel like it doesn't do. Like, you know how some girls like they do it and then their face just looks like 5 pounds lighter?
Yeah.
I want that. I need that. I want to make it big in life so I can have somebody do my face for me so I can look like that.
Lighting sometimes like it shows. It's never like always like perfect. You know what I mean? So in lighting, sometimes you'll see that they've done a lot of contouring. You know what I mean? Like in photos and stuff. So when they go to parties, it doesn't work in their favor. There's the cheek sucking in thing. I do that when I take selfies sometimes. I kind of just.
Oh, I can't because my mouth does a weird thing. You mean like? No, I do the light skin pose. I'd be like, hold on, I gotta get the forehead.
Just because I know it's the light skin pose, I try to avoid it.
Like this.
Just because I'm light skinned, so you're like, oh, look, she's doing the light skin pose.
I look like the sad light skin though, like.
Oh my god. No, when men do it, it's the worst. That makes me cringe.
So late.
Can we draw a beard on you tonight?
Yeah. The whole day I've been complimenting Amir's beard, and
Amir would never take that off. Like that's like his thing.
I would hope not. I watch so many videos of men shaving their beard. This needs to be a campaign. Stop shaving the beard. I don't need to see that secret double chin. Just stop it. It's like contour for men.
Did you see that one where there was a kid, her dad, who had a massive beard, and then she
shaved it and she couldn't tell?
She cried. She's like, who's this stranger?
See, I'm so glad like it's now I'm like, yeah.
I never related with the kids so much. Do you want to set your foundation? Do you set it?
No. Okay, I do my makeup so weird. Oh.
Don't be shy. I swear, sometimes you just like really, I can tell you really want to just get closer. Oh, I love you. No,
it's like I forgot we're doing makeup. Have you seen her?
No.
She rolls her face on bread. She's famous on Instagram.
Why did she do it?
That's like her niche. Like she
just rolls
different bread, and she goes like this. And she does it like her face is just like so into it. She's like hard bread, soft bread, and peace, love, and money.
Guap. And I taught Hammer. I taught Hammer how we used to like say money in different ways in slang. The way he says guap is like guap. I'm like, why do you say it so ugly?
Guap.
So guap. Why do you say it's so ugly, Hammer? Like,
when English people try to do our accent,
it's the worst.
It's cringeworthy.
Yeah.
You lots must.
In it, another one's like, what you mean, love?
Mine's not hot.
And then when they laugh, they go,
We're gonna get so much hate for this.
I wouldn't be here. Clearly, I enjoy it, so.
It's nice.
No hate. I'm married to a British person.
I
love British people.
Two.
Okay, basically, the inside joke is Amer likes to express his love for black people.
A lot.
A little too much. It's a little embarrassing. We were on live and I was painting. Maybe I shouldn't, because then they don't see him. Okay, because he's not physically here, they might think, wow, he's a racist.
He's not though.
But when you
just really loves all people.
Yeah, especially black people.
I think he would.
Like, he told me he wants black babies, and I'm like, I don't control the pool genes of how they will.
I mean, they're always gonna be half.
But he wants them like.
Like darker.
Dark afro hair, like.
I feel like Pakistani hair is so dominant.
So dominant. It's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
I told him like, dude, I don't think it's gonna happen. Just be happy.
I feel like they're gonna have straight hair, and then have like a mixture of your
or like really
features.
glossy black. Cause Amar's hair is really black, and my hair is really black, and together we'll make really black-haired babies.
But the texture
might be soft.
Yeah.
Ask Sia there to abuse her.
Stop.
I do this all the time. It's normal. So what did you do so far? Your brows.
Okay. I won't even focus on it. Focus.
Tip your head. Keep it in. Lift it high. There you go.
You know what? It's glossier. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right.
Look at my sweater. There's a curry stain on my sweater. Snack for later. Everywhere you go. It's done. Foundation's done. Concealer, bronzer. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do my brows now. Language. Say it loud because it's gonna copyright my video. Everywhere you go, everywhere I go, you go. Everywhere you go, everywhere I go, you go.
I'm not even in love, and I'm like, hey.
Is anybody really in love?
I mean, you are married. Cut that one out. I was like,
cut that shit out.
Amir's gonna be like, Amir's watching your videos. He's like,
he takes our relationship so serious. I'm like, ah,
you're alright.
Yeah, alright.
I'm like, Mrs. Steal your girl. I'm like,
aww, I love you.
Amir's
even your cute jokes are just so. Oh shit. Oh.
What are you doing? You look like a deer.
I still look how I was born. Oh, like, well, not the only thing. One of the things I love about gaining weight. Oh my god, I put your mascara thing in my. What the heck is going on?
Look at the focus. Look at the.
Oh, hello, glow.
Ooh, I like that.
This is my.
You know, I'm just looking at you through this mirror.
I know, I can feel it. I can feel the creepiness in it, and I love it. Lisa stared at me.
It's like,
Ew. Ew. That's, look at this random, like, piece of. That is the cutest little thing. How small is this?
Wait, was it the birthday thing? It cracked though.
Is this
so
opal?
Kind of, yeah.
I love. I blew it over there, so don't worry.
Watch it come right back.
Smells smashed.
You have that like eyebrow bone thingy. It looks so good.
I'm really. Oh, I love that one.
I don't know why I did that. My leg went dumb.
Dumb?
Dead. Went to sleep.
Oh, I hate when my leg gets dumb.
Oh.
Wish I had a smart leg.
New look, new look. I want to laugh. I'm sorry. Okay, let me put my angry
dumb.
face.
Oh, I have
there.
a dumb leg. I wish my leg was smart like all the other kids. All the other kids have smart legs.
I hope you roll over for dramatic effect. I was like, did you just put a freckle on my freaking eyebrow?
Go see you.
Ooh. Now if only this stayed all the time.
Then what I do is,
You guys can't see it, can you?
it's a phone.
It's a friend.
It's a friend. Okay, tell me how the lighting is when I turn this light on. Is it better?
We're bright. Oh, we're bright. I don't.
Too bright, you think?
I think it's fabulous.
Whoa, you look mad exotic. Shit.
I love you.
Dude, I have to show you this girl's video. I literally cried. When I looked into her eyes, I knew she was one or whatever. And then she looked at the camera, she's like, in the most obnoxious, like, she didn't care. I'm like, my brother's gonna watch this video. But she did not care. She was just like, actually, no, let me show you.
When you walk into a room, you brighten the room. You sincerely make everyone around you happy. You don't have to be
Use this Kat Von D red lipstick
She's gonna use that.
in Outlaw, but then I'm gonna use the Rihanna one in my next video. So if this makeup look kind of looks similar to that, don't hate it. Don't hate it.
Big and juicy right
Oh, I'm
now.
doing that too.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what do you mean not overlining? What I never don't know what that is. Never heard of it. Never
Lip fillers.
came across it. That lip gloss looks so good on you.
No, down. Ooh. Oh. I like it. My God.
La 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 la.
Oh, sorry.
We're finally done. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. So, I love your makeup. Let's show them
Look
up
at the
close.
back of my head.
Oh, look at that's a sexy back head. Wait, is that what you call the back of your head? A back head? No? Okay. I went for something very simple. I overline my lips, but I'm kind of feeling it. But it looks good. It looks really good. Would you normally do this makeup look?
Not the lip. Definitely not the lip. Or the freckles, because I feel like I would butcher it.
No, it looks really good. There you go.
I want to burp.
Don't do it. Anissa's makeup. We gave her some faux freckles and she did her regular makeup routine with a nice glossy lip. Love. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Sexy. Oh. Look, I kind of did something similar, but I just overlined my lips. And we're gonna go now to Central London and eat some food. Thanks for watching, guys.